Hello guys, welcome to CyberCrest YouTube channel. So guys, today we are in the 24th day of Advent of Cyber 2025. So guys, this is our last day and let's dive into the computer screen and start the challenge. So guys, here I have the complete playlist of Advent of Cyber 2025. So guys, in this playlist you will get all the updates from day 1 to day 24. So guys, you can save this playlist, you can share with your friends, and guys, subscribe to CyberCrest YouTube channel. So guys, now I'm on my TryHackMe dashboard. So let's move to AOC, and here after a scroll down we will do a continue learning. And guys, here you can see we have the final room, that is the exploitation using cURL Hoperation exploit. So we tap on this room. So guys, this is the final room of Advent of Cyber 2025. So here you can see we are inside this exploitation with cURL room. So guys, here we have the video 1 and here we have the video 2, and guys, these are from the industrial experts, and from here the story begins. So guys, here basically the story is the blue team got a intel that there is a wormhole left open inside the control panel of Evil Bunny's web server. So here we have the task, like we can use a powerful tool, that is the curl, to crack the HTTP request directly. So here we don't have any bub suit, we don't have any web browser, we just have the command prompt. So we have the tool, that is a curl, so we can use that and we can get the access to the HTTP requests. So here we have the learning objectives, like about understand what HTTP request and response at the high level, use curl to make basic request using get, and here we can send post request using the curl, and we can work with cookies and sessions in curl to maintain login state across request. So here we have the connecting to machine information, and you can simply start the attack machine, we can start the target machine, and here we can simply give a check and we can move to task 2. So guys, here we have the HTTP request using curl. So like we can use the curl to access to those requests in the command prompt. So here we have the command, like we will simply use the curl and we will use the target IP, and here you can see we have welcome to the curl practice server, trying sending a post request to post.php. Here we have the endpoint, that is the post.php. So like here we will use the command to send a post request. So here I will simply copy the command and we can give a paste here and we can give enter. So here we got the invalid credentials. So here we have a question like make a post request to the post.php endpoint with the username admin and the password admin. So what can be the flag? So I will simply use my arrow key to copy this command, and here I will change the endpoint, that is I will make this post.php. So okay, this is post.php. Now I will change the password to admin, and then we can simply change the username to admin as per the instruction, and after that we can give enter. So here you can see we got the first flag. I will simply copy this flag from here, we can give it paste and check. So yes, this is correct. So now here we have like make a request to cookie.php endpoint using the username admin and the password is admin, and we have to save that cookie. So here we can use the command, like I will simply clear this window first. So like once you logged in, web application use cookie to keep your session active. So when you make another request with your browser, the cookie gets sent automatically, but with the curl you need to handle it yourself. Like as we are working with the CLI, we have to handle that cookie. Here we can simply copy this command from here, and we have to save that cookie to the cookie.txt file. So guys, here you can see, like if I will do a ls, so here we have the cookie.txt, and using the cat command we can see the values, the cookie values, and now here we can simply use the command to reuse that cookie, the saved cookie. So as per the instruction, we will set our commands, and here you can see we got the flag, and we can paste that and give a check. So yes, this is correct. And here we have another question, like after doing the brute force on the brute force.php endpoint, what is the password of the admin user? Like here we have to brute force and we have to find the password for the admin user. Like simply we can create a password.txt file. So for that I will use the nano editor, and here I will give the file name as passwords.txt, and here as per the instruction I will simply the sample passwords from here and I will paste them, and with the control X then Y I will save this file using the loop.sh. You can see like now using the ls, here we have the passwords.txt. So I will use the cat command to navigate that, and here you can see we have the same values that we have entered. So now we have to create an bash file, and using this we can automate our tasks in the command line, and you can brute force for the password. So here I will also use the nano command. I will simply copy this command from here and I will paste that here in the nano editor. I will save this, and now we can simply with the ls, you can see here we have the loop.sh. So I will simply here we use the command to run that bash file, and from here you can see after the successful brute force we got the password, that is a secret pass. We'll simply copy that, and here we can simply paste that and we can give an enter. So yes, this is correct. So now we have another question, like make a request to the agent.php endpoint with the user agent tbfc. So what is the flag you received? So here simply we can bypass the user agent check also. So for that I will simply use the command as per the instruction. Here we have the command, like using the -a we can get the user agent, or we can bypass the user agent. So here you can see we got the result like welcome internal computer, but again if you try that, here you can see we are blocked. Like we have to specify the user agent first. So here we have to specify the user agent like HTVFC, and the endpoints we can check off to agent.php. Here you can see finally we got the final flag, and I will simply copy this flag from here, paste here and give a check. So yes, this is correct. And guys, here we have also a bonus question, but I will not solve this. I will keep this on you, so you can simply try this of your own and you can solve this. So I will simply give a check here, and we can simply move to the conclusion part. So here the final battle comments, like we got the access like open source server, and here we saved the max kd and we saved the Christmas. We have completed the Advent of Cyber 2025 challenge. So I will simply give a check here, and here you can see we have successfully completed the final room of Advent of Cyber 2025. So I will give a continue. So from here also we got a Advent of Cyber ticket. I will give a continue, and here we can simply move to Wareville, and guys here you can see we have completed the final room. And after scroll down here you can see like from here we can generate our certificate also. So you can simply unwrap your certificate, and yeah, we have successfully completed the challenge. So guys, we have successfully completed the full challenge of Advent of Cyber 2025. So guys, this was a 24-day long challenge. We took that challenge and we have successfully completed, and also we got our certificate. And yes guys, if you want more videos related to cybersecurity, related to pen testing, related to ethical hacking, and also if you want the CTF solving challenges also, you can subscribe to CyberCrush YouTube channel. Thank you.